So let's see what we can get. I know they're still kind of green, but a few have already fallen off. So let's dump them out. See what we got. Even if we might not even have any. I don't know. Oh. Is that a potato? Do I have a potato? Look. Oh my gosh, that thing is massive. There's one. Oh my goodness, y'all. And a little one. I guess that's it. I guess that's all the potato. But look, y'all. I got 3 massive potatoes. I can't believe it. It's crazy. I'm going to have to plant some more. Thank y'all for watching. Have a great day. See y'all next time.